a wonderful property. Greek Italian marble on your lift lobby. A separate servants quarter right on your floor. A fantastic Schindler elevator with wallpaper. Well, aesthetic को बढ़ाने के लिए the designer had suggested कि इसको थोड़ा सा अपग्रेड करते हैं, तो ये वॉलपेपर का यूज किया. Look at the door, 8.5 feet tall door, and you still have a lot of space up top. So आप देखिए फ्लोर टू सीलिंग हाइट कितनी अच्छी आपको मिलती है. In this 325 square yards fantastic property in Defense Colony. Well, this is contemporary, modern. Everything is very well thought of, and as you enter your floor, you are greeted by this amazing inlay work. Now I'm taking you to this fantastic kitchen, and I know it is white, it is PU, and it is imported from Malaysia. आप देखें, this is all work of art. In this size, this is a fantastic kitchen. You get a chimney hob, a dishwasher, which is to be provided, and look at the finish. Look at the rose gold colored handles. Amazing. And still you get a vertical pantry, a lot of space, very well built, very good furnishing. देखिए, पैसे हर बिल्डर लगाता है, पैसे हर आर्किटेक्ट लगाता है बिल्डिंग के अंदर, बट वर्कमैनशिप इज द की. वहीं आपकी डिफरेंशिएशन बनती है कि आपकी प्रॉपर्टी कितनी अच्छी लगेगी ऑन अ लॉन्गर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. लेट मी टॉक अबाउट दिस टाइल्स. अगेन, दीज आर स्पेनिश टाइल्स imported specifically for this project from Spain. Well, now let's go to the living room, and I'm sure you'll be very happy. As we enter, this double door welcomes you to the living space, and 325 गज के हिसाब से इतनी बड़ी space, and you get a bar niche. You know, imagine the space, the ceiling height, and the amount of work the builder has done put in this. आप ये देखिए, 325 गज में इतना बड़ा लिविंग रूम, उसके साथ साथ आपको डबल ग्लेज्ड इंसुलेटेड ग्लासेस विद अ वेरी वाइड बैल्कनी. I know you're still not convinced. You want to look more. अब मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा मास्टर बेडरूम, which is by far one of the best that I've seen ever in this size. Look at it. As you enter to the master bedroom, which is very, very spacious, this has got a 5-door almirah, fantastic marble laid out. I'll have to actually look and find the joints. इसके साथ साथ there is a separate walk-in closet, floor to ceiling height. Well, I love the handles also. आप enter कीजिए to the bathroom. Again, a very well designed bathroom, spacious, quite livable for a 325 square yard space. आप देखें, master bedroom with a walk-in closet, a fantastic bathroom, state-of-the-art finishes and items used. Again, a fantastic size of a property. Builder इसको 3 bedroom की जगह 4 bedroom भी कर सकता था, but उन्होंने कमरों के साइज को बड़ा किया, लिविंग स्पेस को वाइडन किया. Because generally what I see is 4th bedroom is more like a study, and it is a compromise. I now take you back to this amazing foyer area to the guest bathroom. I know थोड़ा सा भी काम चालू है, yet to be completed, but it is, from this you will be able to realize कि कितना अच्छा काम हुआ है. I'll now take you to this fabulous and spacious family lounge, which is again connected to a utility space. There is space for a washing machine, for a dryer, a folding space, which is very well required for smaller families and for which is a mandatory requirement for quite a bit of embassies. So this could be a choice in case you want to lease out your apartments to a fantastic embassy. Now let's come to the second bedroom. Amazing size, ventilation. Again, all the bedrooms have access to the rear or the front balcony, and amazing walk-in closet. आप space देखिए, specifications देखिए, VRV air conditioning देखिए और floor to ceiling height देखिए. आपको cramped living भूल जाएंगे आप. Now I am taking you to the third and the final bedroom of the house, which is again very very unique. आपको बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉपर्टीज के अंदर में एक सेपरेट स्टोर या पूजा स्पेस नहीं मिलेगा इस साइज के अंदर, बट द बिल्डर इज ट्राई टू कार्व आउट अ सेपरेट पूजा स्लैश स्टोर. Look at the final bathroom. This has got space, very nice mirror, and again ventilation is the best. Now just to recap, there are few things that I want to highlight about this property. A, ample amount of storage, very good size bedrooms, a very fantastic living room, very stylish kitchen with state-of-the-art fittings, and your servants' quarter, your domestic health room right outside your door. So this means a lot of parking space, 2 to 3 car parks, parking space for all the floors. Depending on which floor you want to buy, you get 2 to 3 parking within the building. In case you're looking for such fantastic options for yourself, please get in touch with me.